AI-based tools and techniques to increase participation of students. The entire content is getting gamified. All the curriculum is getting gamified to increase participation of students. As a result, the attention of students are getting increased in classrooms. And when a student is more attentive in the classroom, the learning retention increases automatically 2 or 3 times. Another thing that affects the attention span of the students is what is the environment in which he is studying. It is not just about the pedagogy or the tools that are being deployed for teaching to the student. It is also about the environment in which they are studying. Studies have shown that if you have a carbon dioxide ppm inside your classroom that is high, say above 1000 ppm or around 1400 ppm, it decreases the focus and attention of the students by half. The focus of students decreases by half. Students start getting more drowsy. So now these days we are coming up with interactive flat panels that have inbuilt carbon dioxide sensors that is able to tell the teachers when the carbon dioxide level inside a classroom is increasing, when the teacher might think about giving a short break of 2 to 3 minutes for the students to kind of reset themselves so that the learning outcomes increases. Plus gamification. When you talk about gamification, the entire curriculum has kind of shifted towards gamification. Tools like quizzes, polls, Kahoot is being used more and more to make the students more interact, to increase the engagement of students in the classroom, basically. Plus, we are coming up with new technologies which make students move, learn, play in the classroom. We are changing the geometry of the classroom by, as Varun mentioned very correctly, that the students are still, even with the age of tablets and interactive flat panels, students are still being forced to look forward, and the teaching methodology, even though it has become more engaging, it is still a teacher dominant teaching method where the teacher is giving the lecture and students are still in a sense a passive recipient of the lecture. So to overcome that, especially for the early age students or the primary students who have kind of screen fatigue, or the attention span for them has been reduced to 15 minutes, as was pointed out by one of my panelists. We are coming up with solutions like Active Floor, which is more of an interactive floor-based solution where students can learn, jump, engage. Entire curriculum will be gamified, so you're basically playing on an interactive projection. Because you are engaged in the classroom, because you are physically engaged, you will be much more likely to engage the content or to kind of retain the content than what was there earlier.